Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by easing tension and preventing damage. Loosen strings until about 0. 5 to 1 inch slack, then remove them. Once done, support the neck on a soft pad so the headstock doesn't flex. Next, score the nut's glue line with a sharp razor, shallow passes only, to break the adhesive seal. This reduces tear out when you lift the nut. Make sure to label string positions if the nut is slotted. That way you can match string spacing later. You now free the nut from the fretboard by softening the glue. Apply low heat with a hairdryer for 30 to 60 seconds to make the adhesive pliable. Then, position a thin flat chisel or palette knife under one end and give gentle taps with a small mallet, always directing force away from the headstock to avoid cracking the veneer. Once that end lifts a little, work to the middle and other end, lifting evenly at multiple points. This prevents splitting. You finish by cleaning the nut slot. Remove residual glue with 400-600 grit sandpaper or a solvent. Keep the slot flat and true so the replacement seats evenly. Once clean, dry fit the new nut and check height and slot alignment. Aim for roughly 1/16 to 1/8 inch action at the first fret depending on setup. When satisfied, apply a thin bead of glue, clamp briefly, just enough to set. Then restring, tune, and check intonation and playability. If binding or buzzing appears, loosen strings and reseat the nut slightly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.